there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Now, if you listen close enough, you might just be able to hear those sleigh bells a-jingling, a ring-ting-a-tingling too, which can only mean one thing. It's time for the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, am I excited. This is easily my favorite time of the year, and not only because people tend to be a little bit nicer to each other, but it's also a great time for us to give back to the folks that have supported the channel throughout the year, and I love giving stuff away. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, we've been doing this since the late 60s, I think. Maybe not, but I think our first prize was like a Slinky or something. But anyway, we've been doing it for a lot of years. And essentially what we do is put together 12 videos, and in each one of those videos, we give away a different product. And again, the contest is incredibly simple. You don't have to do anything special. There's no strings attached, no shenanigans. You basically enter the contest, and after 7 days, we'll pick a winner out of all the entries we've gotten randomly. We'll send them an email and say, good news, you won the contest. Send us your address and we ship you the product. And it's pretty straightforward. It's just that easy. Now, this year, we've got a lot of drone gear. So there's a lot of drone stuff that's going to be given away over these next 12 days. But in addition to that, we review a lot of other high-tech gear on the channel because I like high-tech gear. And my adage is always, if it runs on electrons, if I can plug it in, put a battery in it, recharge it, I want to talk about it on the channel. So we've expanded the giveaways this year to include a lot of other high-tech gear, which I think you're going to like an awful lot. And what we did was pick products that there seemed to be a lot of interest in that we've reviewed on the channel. So there's a good smattering of technology and drones and a bunch of other stuff that I think you're gonna really like. So I'll get into all that over the next 11 days. Now, today's day one, there's gonna be 11 more clips in the series, and I encourage you to enter every one of them because each of those contests are individual, and I really wanna give this away. So we're pretty excited about some of these prizes. I can't tip my hat on some of them, but boy, I'll tell you, if I were you, I would stick to the channel. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, and that way you'll get a little ding on your phone every time we post a clip. But anyway, today, this is the first prize, and I'll get into that in a second, but I always like to tell jokes. And the problem with Christmas jokes is that there's only so many, right? So, and it's hard to find really good ones, and most of them end up as dad jokes, which I'm perfectly fine telling. But over the years, I've had a couple that have really had me and the crew here at Drone Valley laughing like belly laughing. So I'm gonna work those in. But if you have a good Christmas joke, put it in the comments below, and I'll definitely use it on one of the clips that are coming up. But for today, this is one of my favorites, and it's kind of close to my heart. So the gingerbread man went to the doctor, and he said, Doc, I've had a hard time with my knees, boy. When I walk, I just have a lot of pain in my knees, and I don't know what to do. What should I do? And the doc looked right at him and said, well, have you tried icing it? I'm telling you, you tell that joke at a Christmas party, people are going to laugh, and they're going to tell other people. Anyway, on the first day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Holy Stone HS175D. That's right. I almost messed up on the brand name. Anyway, Holy Stone, good friend of the channel. We've done a lot of reviews on their products. They make a wide variety of different drones. What I have here today is the HS175D. Now, this is the perfect starter drone. So if you're thinking about getting into the hobby, this is a good drone to get started with. It's got a 5G connection. It'll fly a couple thousand feet, records 2K video. It comes with a complete kit. So you get two batteries, the drone, a carrying case, the remote controller, everything you need to power it up and get out there and fly in the snow. So it's a wonderful product. And again, the contest could not be easier. We basically have a link below. If you click that link, it'll open up a form. All we ask for is your email and your username on YouTube, so we know who we can get a hold of you, because in years past, we tried sending emails and maybe people didn't get them or they end up in a spam folder. So that's two ways for me to get a hold of you. Now, I promise you, we're not one of those companies that's gonna hang onto your email or sell it to somebody else where you're gonna get 55 emails a week from somebody. We keep them for 7 days, we pull a winner, maybe 2 winners as a backup, and then we delete the emails. We don't keep them. And anybody that's entered the contest before can back me up on that. So we're gonna get rid of your email, but I need it to get a hold of you. So what we're gonna do after 7 days is pull a winner. We'll shoot you an email. It'll say, good news, you won the contest. Send us your address. We put it in a box. We ship it to you. No strings attached. And I say every year, no shenanigans. We don't ask for shipping charges. We don't ask for any more information. I just want to give this stuff away. And this is the first prize we're going to send you. Now, the challenge is, this is batteries in it. It's got LiPo batteries in it, so I can't really send it overseas because I can't put it in an airplane. So unfortunately, this one is limited to the domestic market only, but promise you, all the other products we've got are worldwide. So you're going to be in really good shape there, but this is going to be US only. And I'm sorry about that for international customers, because we've definitely shipped a lot of products all over the globe. And I don't really care where you live in the United States. Could be Sheboygan. I always pick on Sheboygan. Could be Waukesha. There's a lot of places you could live. Wherever you live, it doesn't matter to me. We get the address, we put it in a box, We send it off to you. You're happy, I'm happy, and we move on. So anyway, that's pretty much it for today. Believe me, I have 11 more of these coming. I've had plenty of coffee, plenty of sleep, so I'm really anxious to lean into the other 11, and we'll be posting one a day. And again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down there. You can unsubscribe later if you think we're goofy enough, but this is the time of year where we get a chance to spread a little joy, make you smile, maybe groan a little bit with the jokes or the singing. I promise the singing's going to get better. I've had a little bit of a frog in my throat over the last couple of days, so that's going to get definitely better. But anyway, join the Drone Valley family because we have a lot of cool stuff going on, especially over these next 11 days where you can win a lot of really cool prizes. And trust me, this is just the beginning. And I'm smirking a little bit because I know what's coming. And I know that it's going to be unbelievable. And you're going to go, how can Rick give something like that away? We have a lot of friends in the business, a lot of big companies that help to sponsor this giveaway. Holy Stone is just one of them. You're going to be shocked at some of the other prizes that I'll be giving away over these next 11 days. So make sure you tune in. And that's pretty much it for today. So thank you so much for watching throughout the year and especially during this contest. And until next time, as always, happy flying.